Biological questions, part 2. If you like my video, please subscribe. During the process of osmosis, the solvent travels from concentrated solution to dilute solution, dilute to concentrated solution. Solvent doesn't travel in osmosis, none of the above. And let's see the answer. Concentrated to dilute solution, and the reason is osmosis is a process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a more concentrated solution into less concentrated one, making both the sides equal. In which of the following color rate of photosynthesis is maximum? Options are red, blue, green, yellow. And the answer is red. One, the reason is the rate of photosynthesis is maximum in red color, minimum in yellow color. This happens because in the absorption spectrum, the red and blue color gets absorbed and the majority of green light gets reflected. Which of the following vitamin is essential for the formation of collagen? Vitamin A and vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. The answer is vitamin C, and the reason is C is essential for the formation of collagen. The process of collagen synthesis occurs mainly in the cells of fibroblasts, which are specialized cells with the main function of synthesizing collagen and stroma. Anaerobic respiration is found in which of the following? Mitochondria, cytoplasm, both 1 and 2, and the cell wall. And the answer is cytoplasm. And the reason is anaerobic respiration can be found only in cytoplasm, while aerobic respiration can be found in cytoplasm and mitochondria. And the next question is the cultivation of which of the plants on wasteland has potential to generate biofuel in large quantities? Options are Jatropha, Copifera, Langsdorffii, Camelina sativa, none of the above. And the answer is Jatropha, and the reason is it is a species of flowering plant in the spurge family called Euphorbiaceae that is native to the American tropics, most likely in Mexico and Central America. The next question is what is known as exclusion of a plant disease by legislation? Options are disease resistant, plant quarantine, biological control of plant, cultural control. And the answer is plant quarantine. These are intended to prevent the spread of pests or to prevent further spread if they have already gained entry and are established in newly restricted areas. And the next question is whipped smut of sugarcane is caused by which of the following? Options are Ustilago nuda, Ustilago hode, Eurocitrus agrofree, Ustilago cyctemine. And the answer is Ustilago cyctemine. And the reason is Ustilago cyctemine has causes a fungal disease in sugarcane and the sugarcane web smut. In this fungus usually grows within the meristem tissue. And the next question is genetic modification technique was in use. RIDL is being developed for combating which of the following diseases? Swine flu, malaria, cancer, AIDS. And the answer is malaria. And the reason is malaria is a serious and sometimes fatal disease caused by parasite that commonly infects a certain type of mosquito which feeds on humans. And the next question is Heloderma steptum is igneous, gecko, venomous lizard, chameleon. And the answer is venomous lizard. Heloderma toxoferon is a genus of lizard. It has 5 species, all of which are poisonous. It is the only extant genus of the Helodermatidae family. Bubo is the scientific name of which of the following species? Hen, peacock, or eagle, owl. And the answer is owl. The Bubo or the Eurasian eagle owl is a species of eagle owl that resides in much of Eurasia. What happens if the vestibulocochlear nerve gets damaged? Loss of taste, loss of eyesight, dizziness, and spinning, and none of these. And the answer is dizziness and spinning. Reason: if the vestibulocochlear nerve is damaged, it can result in dizziness and lightheadedness, spinning. And the next question is Louis Pasteur is related to the discovery of which of the following? Process of pasteurization, developed vaccines against anthrax and rabies, both 1 and 2, and none of these. And the answer is both 1 and 2. And the reason is Louis Pasteur was a French scientist and a microbiologist who was one of the most important founders of medical microbiology. He pioneered the study of molecular heterogeneity, discovered that microorganisms causes fermentations and diseases. Name the thinnest bone in human body: stapes, malleus, incus, fibula. And the answer is, if you know the answer, please comment in the comment box. And the answer is fibula. The fibula is a long bone in the lower intermediate that is located on the lateral side of the tibia. And the next question: who among the following was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1926 for his contribution to cancer research? Options are Christian Ejikman, Jones Fibiger, Julius Wagner Jauregg, Charles Jules Henry Nicoli. And the answer is Jonas Fibiger. The Anders Grip Fibiger was born at Silkeborg, Denmark on the April 26, 1867. The notes will also help you. Please note this. Monocyte differentiate into which kind of phagocytic cells? Neutrophil, B cell, macrophage, T cell. And the answer is macrophage. Notes: macrophages are specialized cells that are involved in the detection phagocytes and the destruction of bacteria and other harmful organisms. A monocyte is a type of white blood cell and it is a phagocyte. And the next question is: green algae are known as rhodophysia, chlorophysia, phaeophysia, green tide. And the answer is chlorophysia. Algae is thalate plant and autotrophic in nature. Mostly algae is aquatic and contains chlorophyll. Green algae is also known as chlorophysia. Which of the following animal is used in the production of fabric? Alpaca, llama, yak. All of the above. And the answer is all the above. The yak is an animal that is largely found in Himalayas in India and Tibet. The llamas are the animals typically found in South America. Alpacas are the small camel-like animals found largely in South America. And the next question is: syphilis is caused by which of the following bacteria? Options are Treponema pallidum, Yersinia pestis, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, Campylobacter. And the answer is Treponema pallidum. Syphilis is caused by bacterium called Treponema pallidum and it is spread through contact with the wound of an infected person during sexual activity. The next question is: photoreceptors in the eye called rods are important for? And options are night vision and central vision, color vision and peripheral vision, night vision and peripheral vision, and the last option is color vision and the central vision. And the answer is night vision and peripheral vision. There are about 120 million photoreceptors in our eyes called rods. These are important for scotopic vision or monochromatic vision in low light. Which bacteria are helpful in nitrification process? Acetobacter, Nitrosococcus, Campylobacter, Acetomycetes. And the answer is Nitrosococcus. Nitrification is the process by which the bacteria changes soil ammonia into nitrates. Nitrosococcus, Nitrosomonas, Nitrosospira, etc. is the bacteria which helpful in nitrification process. And the next question is myopia and hypermetropia can be corrected by options are concave and a plano-convex lens, concave and convex lens, convex and concave lens, plano-concave lens for both defects. The answer is concave and concave convex lens. Myopia and hypermetropia can be corrected by concave and convex lens respectively. And the next question is water which is suitable for drinking is called dash water, potable, sanitary, hygienic, sparkling. And the answer is potable. Potable water is a water of quality suitable for drinking, cooking, and personal bathing. It is water that is safe to drink or to use for food preparation. In developed countries, tap water is usually potable. And the next question is how many types of joints are present in our body? Options are 2, 3, 5, 6. The human body has 3 types of joints: uh, synarthrosis, amphiarthrosis, diarthrosis. Next question: which type of plant have weak stems and take support on neighboring structures to climb up? Climbers, herbs, trees, shrubs. And the answer is climbers. Creepers, while those take support on neighboring structures and climb up, are called climbers. Money plant, god plant, etc. are examples of climbers. And the next question is bone ossification test is conducted to ask certain human tentative age, drug addiction, tentative height, brain efficiency. And the answer is tentative age. Ossification is the process of laying down new bone material by cells called osteoblasts. It is a synonymous with the bone tissue formation. As per scientific evidence, by the age of 25, nearly all bones are completely ossified in humans. And next question is slipper animalculae is a common name for Permasium, Trypanosoma, Monocytus, Plasmodium. And the answer is Parmasium. Animalculae is a old term for microorganisms first used by Anton van Leeuwenhoek means small animal. A Parmasium is shaped somewhat like a slipper, a soft shoe, so it is called a slipper animalculae. In which form is glucose stored in our body? Insulin, glucose, glycogen, fat. And the answer is glycogen. Glucose is stored in body as glycogen. The liver stores glucose in the form of glycogen, which is released when it is needed. Also, fat can be converted into glucose when needed. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Zoo, aquarium, sanctuary, and national park. Aquarium. An aquarium is a common example for an artificial ecosystem or man-made ecosystem that is made and controlled by human beings to mimic the natural ecosystem. The shape of the outer part of ear is like funnel, plate, disc or drum. And the answer is funnel. The outer ear is shaped like a funnel, which helps it to collect sound. The sound is initially collected by the outer ear, also called auricle or pinna. And the final question, vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid, amino acid, acetic acid, azelaic acid. And the answer is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic is naturally occurring organic compound with antioxidant properties, which is one form of vitamin C. It dissolves well in water to give mildly acidic solution. It is used to prevent and treat scurvy, a disease caused by lack of vitamin C in the body.